Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have Git, VS Code, and a GitHub account. Now get the repo locally. First, copy the clone URL from GitHub. Once copied, open VS Code and use the integrated terminal. Type git clone URL and press enter. After cloning, change directory into the project with cd repo name and run code. To open the folder in VS Code, this gets you working files instantly and avoids repetitive setup steps. Make sure your SSH key or you'll work on a feature branch so main stays stable. Create it with git checkout b feature name, then edit files in VS Code. Use the source control pane to review diffs, stage files with the plus icon or git add. In terminal, commit with a concise message. Git commit m, add short description. Once ready, fetch and rebase or merge latest main to avoid conflicts. If conflicts appear, use VS Code's inline merge editor to accept changes and continue the commit. You're ready to share changes. Push with git push uorigin feature name. Then open a pull request on GitHub, add reviewers, and explain what you changed. Once CI and reviews pass, merge the PR and delete the branch to keep history clean. If something goes wrong, first run git status and git pull to sync. Confirm your remote URL and authentication method. SSH keys often need an agent. HTTPS may require a token. If push is rejected, rebase or pull. Resolve conflicts, then push again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.